Have you ever pondered the impact of asteroids on our planet? It's a question that can send your mind spinning into the cosmos, and rightly so. You see, these celestial travelers are not just harbingers of potential catastrophe, they're also key contributors to the evolution of our home, Earth. As we try to piece together the story of our planet, asteroids play a pivotal role, each impact leaving a geological fingerprint that helps us trace back the path of Earth's history. They've shaped the surface of our world, altered ecosystems, and even, some believe, kick-started the very life we are part of today. Imagine a chunk of rock hurtling through the vastness of space on a collision course with Earth, not just bringing destruction, but also forging new beginnings. That's the power of asteroids. So, buckle up as we journey through time to explore the impacts that have left indelible marks on our planet. Our story begins over 4 billion years ago during the late heavy bombardment. This was a time when the Earth wore a different face, a time when the cosmos was a violent place, teeming with celestial bodies on a collision course with our planet. The late heavy bombardment, as the name suggests, was a period of intense asteroid activity. It was like the universe had thrown a cosmic tantrum, raining asteroids on the young, molten Earth, causing it to constantly change its face. This period lasted for hundreds of millions of years, and it was during this time that the early Earth was shaped and molded into the planet we know today. Now, you might be thinking that this sounds like a pretty harsh environment, and you'd be right. But here's the twist. It was precisely this intense asteroid activity that created the conditions necessary for life to form. Let's take a moment to marvel at this cosmic irony. The very asteroids that wreaked havoc on the Earth also delivered essential elements like carbon, nitrogen, and water, which are the building blocks of life. These asteroids, in their fiery descent, acted like interstellar delivery vans, bringing with them the ingredients needed for the primordial soup from which life eventually sprang. And it wasn't just these elemental gifts that the asteroids bestowed upon Earth. The impacts also generated enormous amounts of heat, creating hydrothermal vents. These underwater chimneys spewed hot, mineral-rich water into the cold depths of the early oceans, providing the perfect crucible for the first life forms to take hold. So, in a way, the asteroids were like cosmic midwives, assisting in the birth of life on Earth. They shaped our world, not just by carving out its physical features, but also by setting the stage for the greatest show in the universe, the emergence of life. Thus, the seeds of life were sown in this chaotic period, setting the stage for the evolution of our planet. The late heavy bombardment, while violent and tumultuous, was a necessary chapter in our planet's story, a dawn that led to the rich tapestry of life that we see today. Fast forward to 252 million years ago, the Earth witnesses the most devastating extinction event in its history. Now brace yourselves as we delve into the chilling epoch known as the Permian-Triassic extinction event, or more ominously, the Great Dying. Picture a world teeming with life, from strange amphibian-like creatures to the earliest dinosaurs, and then silence. The Great Dying wasn't a gradual fade-out, but a full-blown catastrophe, snuffing out an astonishing 90% of all species. The cause? It's believed that an asteroid impact may have been the trigger that set off this devastating chain of events. Imagine an asteroid, a cosmic missile, hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds. It strikes the Earth with the force of 1,000 nuclear bombs, creating a blast so powerful that it sends shockwaves reverberating around the globe. The impact would have thrown up massive amounts of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blotting out the sun and plunging the world into a long, cold winter. But it didn't stop there. The fallout from the asteroid impact likely triggered intense volcanic activity, spewing poisonous gases into the already choked atmosphere. The world's oceans, once teeming with life, turned into acidic soup. The once vibrant ecosystems collapsed, and the world's biodiversity plummeted. Yet, amidst this chaos, life proved its resilience. From the ashes of the Great Dying, new life forms emerged, evolved, and thrived. The world was reshaped, and in its wake, the stage was set for the rise of the dinosaurs. The Great Dying was a grim reminder of the destructive power of asteroids, but life, as it always does, found a way to bounce back. From the remnants of the world's most catastrophic extinction event, life reasserted itself with a vengeance, showcasing the indomitable spirit of evolution and survival that defines our planet to this day. 65 million years ago, a catastrophic event wiped out the dinosaurs, paving the way for mammals to dominate the Earth. This event, known as the Chicxulub impact, is one of the most significant events in Earth's history, and it's the very reason we're here today. Imagine a space rock about 6 miles in diameter, hurtling towards Earth at an unimaginable speed. It crashes into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, with a force equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The impact was so severe that it created a crater over 100 miles wide and more than 18 miles deep, leaving an indelible scar on the Earth's surface. But the impact did more than just create a crater. It triggered a chain of catastrophic events that led to the extinction of around 75% of all species on Earth, including the mighty dinosaurs. The impact would have caused massive tsunamis, wildfires, and a nuclear winter effect, where dust and debris blocked sunlight, leading to a significant drop in global temperatures. Now you might be wondering, how do we know all this happened? Well, the evidence is etched into our planet's geological record. Around the globe, scientists have found a thin layer of sediment dating back to the time of the impact, known as the KPG boundary. This layer is rich in iridium, a metal more common in asteroids than on Earth, providing a smoking gun evidence for the asteroid impact theory. Moreover, in the late 20th century, the Chicxulub crater was discovered buried under layers of sediment in the Yucatan Peninsula, further cementing the asteroid impact theory. The evidence paints a clear and violent picture of our planet's past, reminding us of the fragility of life on Earth. The Chicxulub impact is a testament to the destructive power of asteroids, but it also set the stage for the rise of mammals, including us humans. So, in a strange twist of fate, the demise of the dinosaurs led to the dawn of mankind, demonstrating that even in destruction, there can be a new beginning. In our recent history, we've had close encounters with asteroids that serve as reminders of this cosmic threat. Let's rewind to the early 20th century, to a remote region in Siberia known as Tunguska. It's 1908, and a meteoroid roughly the size of a 5-story building enters Earth's atmosphere. It doesn't even touch the ground, but explodes in the air with a force 1,000 times greater than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Trees were flattened in an area larger than the city of London, and the shockwave was felt thousands of miles away. Yet, thanks to the sparsely populated location, no known human casualties were recorded. Fast forward to 2013, over the Russian city of Chelyabinsk, a meteor around 20 meters in diameter burst into the sky, brighter than the sun. The shockwave shattered windows and injured over 1,000 people. Both of these events provide a stark reminder of the potential danger asteroids pose. But fear not. We're not entirely defenseless against these celestial speedsters. Scientists around the globe are on constant watch for these cosmic threats. Programs like NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office and the European Space Agency's Space Situational Awareness are always scanning the skies, keeping tabs on near-Earth objects. Moreover, initiatives like the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART for short, are developing ways to deflect asteroids that might be on a collision course with our planet. Imagine a high-speed spacecraft crashing into an asteroid to nudge it off its path. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, doesn't it? But these are not just figments of our imagination. These are real, practical steps we are taking to protect our planet. As we continue to gaze upon the stars, we must never forget the cosmic threats that lurk in the darkness of space. So, what have we learned from our journey through time? We've traversed the cosmic landscape, witnessed the birth of asteroids, and seen their cataclysmic impacts. We've discovered that these celestial bodies, these asteroids, play a dual role in the grand theater of the universe. They are both creators and destroyers. They've birthed new life, yet also brought about mass extinctions. Their impacts have shaped our world, sculpting its geography and influencing its climate. They've played a significant role in our evolution, and thus, in the story of us. That's why the work of our astronomers and scientists is so vital. Their ongoing research and monitoring efforts help us understand and predict these cosmic events, protecting our planet from future catastrophes. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, we must remember that our story is intimately tied to these celestial wanderers, these asteroids that have shaped our planet and will continue to do so in the future.